Hello guys, a new mining video for new mining bot. This is fish bot like Catizen bot. The principle is simple. We join fish together and grow up our fish continent. You will get more coins by growing up your fish. Like you see, I am level 19. Like you see, this is my level, this is my diamond, this is my coins, 1.85 terabyte. Like you see, there is happy spin and daily pack. There is earn here to earn free diamond. You complete all your guest here. There is auto mining here for 30,900 diamonds if you want to buy as your own choice, but we will use a script to maximize your earning from this bot. It's like Catizen. It will work for you and level up for you and collect coins for you, joining fish like that. These two fish, like we see, these two fish like that. Here, if you want to buy fish, like you see, I grow my fish, like you see. Now we grow. Here you can buy fish. Here, click fish. Here you can buy with your own coins or a diamond. It's all like that. Like that simply. You do like that simply. Let's go to our termix. This is our termix. You download the zip file. You unzip file. You will find these files. You have instruction in the site. You for the first you must install all these package, also package of Git. Then you must get your carry ID. It's simple. We press nano space carry .txt like that. Press enter. Excuse me, nano carry.txt like that. Now we must put our carry ID here. How to get? It's very simple. Or link could be in the in my site. We must close our bot. Then we start. When we start, just we turn in airplane mode. We reload the page. We get our data like that. Simply we copy, we go to our bot to get our carry. The link could be in the description. Like you see, we put our data here. Now it will give us our carry ID. Simply we copy our carry ID, we put in this file. We press Ctrl, then X, then Y, then hit enter, then ls, then enter. Now we just put python space econ.py like that, and our bot starting collecting for you free fish, free coins. It's like bot Catizen, but this one it will collect a huge number for you. Like you see, it's starting. It start like that. It work like that. Like you see, now it's working. Like you see, when changing color, it will collect for you free fish. Like you see, this is how it's work. It's a huge bot. You must let the script run over and over. Like you see in your termix, you can open a new session. I already opened multiple session. You can open 8 session. Like you see. This is our video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.